my name is Nancy. I'm an entomologist, which means that I study bugs, and I recently went to the cloud forest and found this cool bug.
Okay, so it's not actually called the Harry Potter bug. I just like to call it that because its other common names are kind of complicated, and most people recognize it from the fourth Harry Potter movie. This is a tailless whip scorpion. They're also called cave spiders, although not all of them live in caves, and they're not actually spiders, and for that matter, they're not scorpions either. They're in their own order, Amblyopygi, which are arachnids. So they're closely related to spiders and scorpions, but not either of those two things. While there are species that do live in caves, in my experience in Ecuador, the easiest way to find them is on mud banks and in holes made by other animals, or on the large buttress roots that you can find on big rainforest trees. Those big basket catchery things in the front are its only way of how it can capture prey, and it just grabs them up. It has no venom. It just literally uses those and goes snatch to crickets and cockroaches, and down the hatch they go. Looking at you funny is basically the only defense this thing has. It's basically blind, and it uses that second pair of long legs to feel around, and they basically act like antennae. They're technically legs, but they function kind of like antennae. I hope you've learned a little bit about this really beautiful, magnificent animal that you may have seen in the movies.